How to become a social media influencer? Well, in the previous 5 years, social media has gained immense popularity and it's a big uptick for most of the people who are coming online and making their careers as a social media influencer. The point is, before social media, the marketers did not have much of a varied choice, and because of the coming of internet and the social media, the idea has completely changed of how the businesses work and how different kind of agencies are running, and customer-based relationship has completely changed. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Glorious Media. This is Basav here with another new video, and today I'm going to be talking about how to become a social media influencer. Today, becoming a social media influencer is not about only blogging and creating content for the sake of it. Well, the most important thing to understand here is that being a social media influencer is all about knowing one thing, that it's not only about putting great images, posts, videos and high quality content out there to make your audience engage with you. It's also about putting something relevant, something understanding that what you are trying to do is the most important thing. I have met many people along in the path of social media influencers who are very focused and very particular about what kind of content that they want to make about it. And they are very clear that whatever they are creating are really in a very focused and in a very narrow manner, in a very niche manner, which makes it very important for them to be seen as that particular kind of person which they want to be seen as. For example, if there is a content creator who is an artist, he wants to be seen as an actor, so he uses that platform to be used as an actor itself by showing his lifestyle, by showing his workout sessions, by showing his practices, that how he lives his life, how he goes on shoots, how he lives his life. For a photographer, that how he goes to different locations to shoot, what is his method of shooting, different kinds of angles, lights, colors, editing, except everything. How does a chef makes his own recipes and cooks out there, gives out his recipes to his customers. This makes very clear something to us, that being a social media influencer is all about putting your mind to a point which something which you are good at. Something which you think that you really have it in you, that you really want to do out there, and put your whole focus in it and make those kind of content, making it very narrow. And this kind of narrow approach really brings in the kind of idea which your audience is really looking out for, really to become the right social media influencer that they really want to follow. Here on one side, you want to become a person who wants to be a social media influencer. On the other side is the audience which decides that what they want to watch you or not. It's you are the king. Today I am here is because of you, and I am talking here to give out this content which I have to give because I really possess the knowledge and the ideas which I am showing it to you, because I am experienced in this field since the last 7 to 8 years, and I have been doing social media since last 2014. And I have been practicing it myself, and I have my own digital marketing agency where I do work, the creative work for the people, and I give it out to them with the things that they are looking forward with. If that makes me a digital creator or a social media influencer, I would be very happy, because that's because of you. So as social media offers different preferences, different interests on the base of the kind of audiences which they are looking forward with. They really have a very clear perspective that they really don't want to get bored. They really want to get a particular idea that what the person that I am following or who I am looking forward with to look his content with is giving me the right kind of content and is giving me the right kind of quality images and the right knowledge and the right education, the right entertainment, which really influences my mind in the right way, in the right manner. So you need to understand this, that once this becomes clear that what social media preferences, interest is all about of the audience, you then decide what you have to do with your own skill and arrange it, plan it and organize it in such a way that you are able to make it with their perspective, narrow it down and create your content in that way, which makes it very and absolutely clear that what your audience is looking forward to. With the new development and presence on social media, it is very important that you create an impact which is very, very necessary with the new developments of artificial intelligence, social media, websites, different tools on social media. It all becomes very clear that after being narrow, you also need to understand that what kind of content is that you require to put out there for your audience. Today, the preferences, the ideas, the interest has been completely changed. The content which what people are looking forward with. Utilizing these tools is to make sure that you come up with the right method of understanding how these tools work. That's not the only point. You also need to understand what your customer is also thinking about. Creating high quality, good content with the right preference, with the right idea, with the right kind of plan, strategy also makes it very, very clear for your audience that you are giving them what they want. And by not only having the right quality content, but also making it clear that what kind of lasting relationship that you create with your customer. And that's the most important thing of what a social media influencer does. And that's what your work is. You need to realize that how these tools are really going to work, what's the right kind of method which you are going to use to give your audience what they are looking forward with. By getting an idea of what your customer or your audience is looking forward with, you always make sure that you do the right research by finding out the right keywords. For example, the keywords which work on social media really makes a very big impact on the kinds of trends which are going forward with. The trends, the rising trends, the kind of ideas, interests, demographics, psychographics, on the different kinds of content that you make which your audience is looking forward with that particular niche makes it a clear idea for your audience that he is getting something really which you are giving out to them. And that makes him very clear that why I want to stick with this social media influencer, because he really has something to give me what I want. And that's the whole purpose of what social media influencing is all about. When you realize that in today's world, becoming a strict content driven with high quality posts and giving them the right images, content is not going to be only enough. Having the right mindset of what your audience wants and giving them what they want by having a clearly strategized method will give them what they want. The most important thing is to make your social media presence. To make sure that you are there on all the social media platforms out there, such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc., which will also give you that idea that how connecting with different networks of people by creating groups, getting in touch with them, not only with friends and family, but also beyond them, making your content much more reachable on the kind of audience which they are looking forward to. That's the reason why you're starting being a social media influencing, right? So that's the whole main reason that why also you should be keeping in your mind that you need to create a content which is very specific about on all the social media platforms, and you utilize every tool of it by putting the right customer mindset. The next thing, when you are decided what your strategy is going to be, make sure that you realize what story are you offering. What do you mean by this story? This story means that when you are coming up with your own content, your content is not going to be completely based on what you know. It's also customer based, your audience based on their interest, the entertainment which you are trying to give out to them in your content. Also come out with your own story. Story means that when you come out with your own struggles, the challenges which you are facing while creating your own product, and that point of time when you get that experience and when you try to mention it and mold it into a kind of campaign based on the ads which you are going to create your content based on the images and the videos are going to be, that gives your customers the idea that wow, he's something relatable, he is something trustable, I can really connect with him, I can really find that edge which your audience will be looking forward with to connect with you. And that's what a story does. A story connects and tells your audience and your customers what your challenges were, your struggles were, and that will really be inspiring and demotivating for your audiences, and that will connect with them. It doesn't have to be naturally that if you're creating a music, you need to have your own story. No, but your music can really have a kind of song which really tells about the journey that you have been. The ad which you're trying to create is based on a concept which basically shows that how McDonald's have done with McRonald, like Ronald has done, like how KFC is about a 60-year-old man who became the owner of KFC and he made the world's best franchisee. The next thing to remember is be consistent. When you are consistent with your content on a continuous basis, it will create that kind of impact. Of course, you came here to be a social media influencer, right? And that's the whole purpose that you want to portray yourself as, by taking a full-time responsibility for your own content for your audience. Because you are trying to find the fame, the kind of money, the kind of respect and the passion which you have to giving your audience, and the business which you are trying to do requires that kind of consistency, that kind of commitment to give it to your content to be made in a particular niche that you are trying to do up with. So try to make sure that you are regular with the kind of posts and the content that you create, and I'm sure you will be a great social media influencer that you want to be, and that's the goal of the whole thing that you want to create, and becoming the great social media influencer that you are really looking forward to become. And I'll be really happy when you take this social media influencer as a really good responsibility for your own business, for your own career, and make it as one of your own. Because if you are the one who is watching this video and who have started on the verge of becoming a social media influencer, please comment below and let me know. I would love to engage with you, and also tell me your story so I can get more in touch with you. Also, becoming a content creator is all about knowing these 4 things. Again, I'll repeat it: knowing the right target audience, knowing the right and the authentic content to be put for your audience, knowing what your customer wants or your audience wants is one of the most important thing. The last, being consistent and having your own content strategy at place with regular content, with good quality content, keeping the customer response kept in mind and the kind of ideas. This will make you the world-class social media influencer that you are looking forward to. And if you have liked this video, please do comment below and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'll see you in the next videos.